intro today. You already did. What's going on, guys? Today we are playing Catbird.
No, I just.
One sec.
I just connected to you. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, one sec.
Disconnect.
Cool. Let's play some Catbird. Who's the one that showed me this? Okay, as you can see, he's got Sad Blacker videos. She's very cool.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so let's get into this. I think there's only 4 worlds, right?
Yes, I played the game for you. So if Blake does really need help, I can help.
Oh, I don't need help. I'm great at these games. I'm not gonna skip it. Really? Okay.
Blake did try the first 2 levels and the last time he
The monster here.
There's not many games on it. Except for one game. One game.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, that's just my camera.
Also, comment down below what games you want me to play. I don't really know. Maybe like Clash of Clans? I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna play this once.
You wanna do it?
I'm trying to.
It's not that hard to get the crown.
I am trying to figure out. Here we go.
You might want to do the sound on it.
Oh, that must have been way loud. You know what? I'll just edit down the volume.
Which means it'll be like.
I'll then.
No, that's not what the. Figure something out. That's good.
Okay, I know how to do this part. Whee! And this is like Adventure Llama,
Yeah.
which you guys have probably
It's also a
watched.
nice pixel art smooth game.
Okay, it didn't blow me up. I thought it was gonna blow me up.
That's what's gonna blow you up. What do you think was gonna blow you up?
Nothing there.
No, why would it blow you up?
Because it looked like a bomb.
All those little things you see are actually like cute little things. Just a part of the game. Now the stages are gonna get really difficult at some point, I must warn you.
Okay, so maybe she should make a video about this game. Maybe, yeah, you maybe.
No, I already played the game, so I know everything about it. So it doesn't really, it's not like
This part.
what?
I've been playing this part before.
What are you doing? I don't think you're doing it right.
I'm doing it right.
Okay, you're not fine.
Then I mess it up.
If you think you're doing it right, okay. Let's see you do it right then. I just want to say this easier way.
Too bad.
Easier way. Much easier way. You could have just thrown down that box and gone down. You don't have to do that. You can just put it there and you can do it.
And I failed.
No, you can.
And I failed. Let's do this again.
Look, yeah, and then you do that. See?
Okay, you're not the greatest at games.
I know how to play it. Okay.
Yes, because you already played the
I
game.
know. I'm just helping you out.
Don't show me off in front of my viewers. If I do have viewers, I don't know.
Maybe no one's watching right now. You're just lonely and you're talking to nobody.
Probably. Yeet. Okay.
Let's see him if he fails miserably.
Ooh. Ooh. I look like Sonic. Just a cat bear. A cat bird.
You know what to do?
No. It's gonna kill me.
Just get rid of this. Get away from the spike. Where you go, Blake? You think you need to go up there? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're wrong. Doing quite good.
did something wrong.
What'd you do?
No, I don't know. What?
What? This. That level. What'd you do? You didn't do anything wrong.
Oh,
You did everything right.
what do I go now?
I'm not telling you. I want to see how badly you fail.
I'm not gonna fail.
You know, if you get little crowns, I already know how to get all their little crowns. Well, most of the little crowns. I need a slim. No, you don't. I wonder if you have to go that way.
Ooh, what does this do?
That's why you put the box on it.
Why do I need to put the box on it? Cause
You know? I don't know if you need to go over there. I might be confusing you, or I might give in the
what the heck is changing?
That's so funny. I wonder if I should I tell you?
No.
Okay, fine. Just tell me when you give up. Finally, you figured it out.
Did I not have to do all of that? Terrible person.
You said I wasn't telling you. I mean, I did.
Ooh,
You said I didn't. You said I wasn't telling you, so I did. All too bad. Now, we're gonna just do this video, and then we're done. And we're gonna fall asleep. Okay?
no.
Anyway, then there was just a noise. Let's see.
I know what I must do, yeah.
Okay.
Jump into the spark. Jump into the spark.
Really killing me with you failing.
Jump into the...
It's really unsatisfying, like.
Jump into the spark. I won. Did I win?
Yeah.
Spike is shiny. Shiny's good.
No, Shiny's okay.
Shiny's good.
Can you just hurry up and finish this little part?
Ooh.
It's all about timing.
Well, up, down, up, down, up, down. Jump into the spike. Oh, I missed it. It's actually better than Adventure Roll. I like this game more.
Yeah. Because you and place it every time.
Okay, that time was not on purpose.
Mine wasn't on purpose. I was just really bad at the game.
Pretty spike.
Do I really need to help you here?
No. I'm recording you. Yes, mate. Yeah, and
this part then, not now when I'm talking.
no.
I can just say.
I just have to check if you can hear it, but I don't. I actually have to talk about that. Yeah. I think I'm getting the hang of the game. I believe so. Do you think so? can eat.
You think you need
No, I don't have to, so I'm not doing it. No. Ooh, shiny. Okay, how long have I been recording? Sorry, just 1 sec. 10 minutes.
So 5 more minutes and this video is over.
At least I get in a groove.
Yes.
Grooves you never take down.
But it's hard and it's probably really laggy for you guys, but it's actually
Ow.
like more laggy with us.
Yeah, I checked in my adventure armor. It wasn't so laggy for you guys. Like honestly, adventure armor kills me when I try. Because you guys just think I'm bad at the game when I've already finished adventure armor.
Really?
Yeah,
Why'd you do it?
because it's good. I thought the game was fun. Like, but it was because
But you haven't finished this game.
no, this game I haven't finished.
You haven't even known.
Okay, yeah, guys, this is where I think I'm gonna call it quits.
Okay, we're going down now.
Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna have to do a part 2, and hopefully you guys heard me. I will have to edit this. Tell me if I did anything wrong.